from the way. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own page. Well charged, everyday people on their way. Numbers on the screen, but I see time. Minutes in the miles on the same grind. Smart tech turning into past. Risk in my hand, I can do the math. Split my screen, got my goals in view. Red, green, off, eating what I do. No more fear when the trend pulls back. I got rules, I don't gotta react. He built a lane for the rest of us. Trust in the system built on trust. Teacher and a trader, that's a double edge. Cutting out the doubt, putting hope in the web charts. I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the waves. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own page. Well charged, everyday people on their way. Zoom out, I can see the life I pick. Zoom in, every level, every tick. One screen, but it's bigger than a trade. It's a promise to myself I'm gonna stay. Well charged, I'm reading my future in the sparks. Simplicity guiding me through the dark. Building it brick by brick, day by day. Yeah, we move with purpose and precision in our way. Modern minds making freedom from the waves. Robbed you the map, now we chart our own page. Well charged, everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way. Everyday people on their way.
Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. I see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far. So close, yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yeah, so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right?
that little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you wanna live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close yet so far. 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 Now, in my experience, there's only one way to get what you wanna, get to the life you wanna live, and it's through pain. The pain of self-reflection, of truly understanding yourself. The pain of knowing that your only enemy is you. The pain of knowing that your emotions control you. The pain of knowing that your emotional lack of control is the only thing that is stopping you. The pain of being real with yourself. And if you could sit with this pain for long enough, something magical happens. You unlock a superpower. You gain access to something that the majority of people don't have. Emotional discipline. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. So close yet so far, so close yet so far. Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on to hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I felt for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And I'm proud of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
I see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far. So close,
yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yet so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right? That little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you want to live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close, yet so far. 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 So close, yet so
For educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi, the Maestro. It is March 11th, 2:45 p.m. We are trading the last hour of the market. It is Wednesday. We are halfway through the week. Javi, how you doing today, brother?
Pretty good. Pretty good. Anybody in the Discord catch that 933 bounce with me already? All right, starting off with the bang already. 17 points. Running it. We've been catching these early. If you haven't joined the Discord, join the Discord. But I've been doing great, bro. How are you doing? How have you been doing?
Good. I'm chilling. No, not a bunch of trades this morning. Not my original strategy didn't present a trade today, which is okay. That means no money missed isn't money lost, right? No loss there. And then I took about one or two Pivot Hunter Pro trades today, so I'm up a little bit on my accounts. I haven't actually logged into Apex today to see the status of my payout request, but from what I understand, I should get some type of information the end of this week on that $55,000 payout, which is going to be very nice.
That's
and
gonna
then
be
I can start trading them
huge.
again.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
If it breaks underneath 41, my last little runner will be taken out. It's about to break out my trail set at 38. Oh, it took it out. Okay. Runner got taken out. That's good. Now it looks like we're breaking the blue. But I want it to break 33. If we're going to go down, we need to break this 33 on the 5 minute. Until then, we're in this range. Now I got this guy here. So 955 is going to be a stronghold for push up. 955 to 958. Above that would be 970. Let me change that. Ooh, it did not close underneath 40. Ooh, so this blue is still going to be alive until it closes underneath 40 on the 1 minute. We're going to continue to push up.
Logan, what you trading today?
Yes.
What do you mean? What am I trading? Oh, like what prop? I am trading the new FFF accounts today. I purchased the new FFF accounts and I'm trading them.
Ooh.
The Prime
And I got
account.
news too. The primes, yeah, those are cool. Did you guys get the notification from Alpha?
The 5-0 plans allowed now?
Yes, you can have 5 zeros now.
Yeah, that's big.
I bought 2 immediately. All right, here we go back to 33. This 5 minute candle has still a minute and a half left. 5 minute has to close underneath 33. If this wants to go, could break it a little bit, but if this is gonna go, 5 minute has to close well underneath. But then it only has room to 920 too. So there's gonna be a funky spot. There's gonna be a funky spot. Dom's starting to react here. Dom is starting to react here. It's got 1 whole minute left. What are you gonna do here? Now. She's looking like she's trying to hang on to it. 40 seconds left. Hanging out really close to it. They're starting to break it right there. If it cannot get back over it.
Every stream, the instrument is obscured. It's very strange. What do you mean by that? The instrument is obscured.
The instrument. 13 seconds left. Looks like it's going to pull up a little bit here. It's bouncing around. It's fighting it right now. This is going to be too close. Too close of a close for me. Too close. Yeah, look at that. Closed right above it. This is a tippy tip. Close right above it. The level is still valid. So it did not close below it. Still not ready to go down. I mean, if it breaks it right now, it'll go down to probably 920 and potentially bounce there. But that 33 held for the time being on the 5 minute. So not ready yet.
Did anybody get
go down
on CPI? No. I was logged in with my students. We had full plans to trade CPI. It didn't meet our criteria for a trade setup. So we watched it. Nothing happened. We logged out. No trades for us. No trades for us during the CPI. No trades for us at the market open. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's a win for me. No loss, no trade is a win for me.
There she goes. There she goes. Again. Oh, yeah, baby. Anybody in this? Anybody in on that hold of 33? Because you know your boy is. You know your boy is. Quantum Gang, easy. Did not close over. There's Big Bluey. Boom. Another casual 20 points. Just like yesterday. Easy peasy. You guys following? Yep, it didn't close. It did not close above 33. I took the long. 20 would have been my stop loss. I usually hit 10 points, 15 point stop losses. Who's in it? Almost 30 points. We're doing it again. We're doing it again. Who's in it? Oh my goodness. Now this is where it will reject 58. If it's going to break through, continue. It needs to break over 58 and continue to go here. Almost 30 points. There's 30 points. Let's go. Okay. Market maker Javi in the house. Again, an encore from yesterday. Encore. 20 points pre-show start if you were in the Discord. Another 30-point banger right there. 50 points already in less than 10 minutes. Right? Somewhere around there. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Boom. Boom, guys. Zero pullback on that. Zero pullback. 33 close. 0 pullback. Zero pullback. Okay. And we rejected off that level at 58. Beautiful. Got trailed out on my runners. Yep. All right. Now we wait. 58 is still the area. We're just chopping between 33 and 58. Got a level at 42. 33 is going to build strength here with this 5-minute blue showing up. So if this thing can start breaking 58, next could be 70. And then after 70, I got room up. Oh, actually, I got 88. Never mind. 70 to 88. Oh, yeah. 70 to 88. It's the same on the one. Never mind. It has to start breaking these levels. But there you go. All right, on to the next. There's 58 again. Oh! shit. If anybody's still in this, damn. Damn. Exploded through 58, right to 69. Needs to close above 658. If it can close above 58, then it'll contest that 69 again. 2 minute needs to break 69. 2 minute candle needs to break 69. And then we can have a push to 88. After 88, 25.10. 88 is a 5 minute level, though. So be cautious around 88 if it does manage to get up there. If you're, YouTube, hopefully you guys are tracking what I'm seeing here. My chart is, if you want to see both our charts, you can track it on YouTube. Let me actually squish down. Oh my gosh, there it goes. If anybody's still in this, good for you. You know, I took my points I'm happy with. 88 could be the next area.
That was a crazy pivot hunter level adjustment at the same. I was like, oh, no trade's going to present. Level adjusted fire. Perfect timing. What is this? 85.
This 2 minute needs to close above that 70, that 68, 75. What is it? 68, 69 and a quarter. If it's going to continue to make that push to 88. If not, we're going to get trapped in here. Let me get rid of these have been broken. Those are gone. This blue can go down here.
Am I frozen? You guys said I'm frozen?
Well, yeah, you are frozen. Damn, man, how's you're looking for the 1 to 5, man? You should be well above that if you got in at that 33 retest. This trade was literally zero risk. Like there was zero pullback. So everyone should be fucking up on this. All right, this 2 minute did not manage to fully close above that the 69 level, so we're getting that little bit of a pullback. If that 2 minute does close above it, then we might see a 5 minute contention to 88.50. Right now, we could be where could we could retest 56. If it breaks 56, we'll retest this 48, 40 area again. This is just becoming way too easy.
No trade. Back to chilling.
Okay, let me see. Let me see what account I can trade next. Because I'm back to just trying to be like super base hits as well. I've been a little aggro. We're very aggressive the last couple weeks.
Would I get another dog? I would love to have another dog. I would love to have a dog more than any. I love dogs. I love dogs more than I love humans. I love dogs more than I love anything. I would love to have a dog. Just a big, scary dog. Don't get. You seem like a dog person. Don't get nasty on us now.
Wait, what just happened to
What does that mean? What's your favorite kind of dog? I've grown up always with German Shepherds. My last puppy was a purebred German Shepherd. My dog before that was a German Shepherd Husky Wolf hybrid. Big boy. And then all my dogs before that were German Shepherds. I just like big dogs, scary dogs, working dogs, intelligent dogs. The way that I train my dogs is they are the most loving, affectionate creatures on the planet to everyone that I trust, and they will scare the fuck out of you if they don't know you. All of my dogs just looked terrifying, and then I would introduce you to them, and then they would just be the most loving dogs. All of my dogs. Unfortunately, I have a very bad history of buying a dog while I start a new relationship, break up with my girlfriend, and then have to give them my dog. And I can't do that. I can't do that again.
Oh, I did tap that 48. What are you? Heinz. I do max 6 on a 50K, bro. Do I love dogs, dude? I miss them. Man, we had a husky, a full breed husky. Oh man, I missed her so much. I still miss her. Her name was Luna.
Oh, look at the dog. That's a cute dog.
There she is. Yeah, got her as a puppy. She was how old no more? I think 2 months. 2 months old when we got her. My man boobs were a lot smaller then too. I miss those small man boobs as well.
It's the last one. It was like her dog died. She was like a golden retriever girl, and I was like, "You need a dog that's going to protect you when I'm not around." So we got a German Shepherd, purebred. That like her parents were like canine dogs. But like then I broke up with her and I was leaving to come here, and it's like I felt guilty. So I was like, she was like, "Are you going to take the dog with you?" And I was like, "If you're not," and she was like, "No, I want to keep the dog." And I was like, "Fine." And then my dog before that, we broke up, and then I had to go to the Middle East, and like I couldn't take him with me, so I gave her the dog also.
Red Eagle with the. Is that your dog? You took a picture of the poor guy mid deuce. How would you like it if he went to your bathroom and took you in a picture mid deuce, and you're just like, you wouldn't like that so much, would you? Hmm. uh,
Buy a dog before you get a new girl. Unfortunately, I'm in a relationship right now, and so if I get a dog, it's going to be partially her dog.
it's gonna be a teacup. She just seems
But I'm
like
not
the
leaving
teacup kind of girl.
Maybe what I'll do is I'll get 2 dogs.
And you can make him fight. No, okay, don't do that. Let's not John Vick it. I mean John Vick.
She does love
Michael
dogs.
Vick.
She
I
likes-
said John Vick. Don't Michael
likes-
Vick it.
She likes her French. She has French bulldogs. So I'll just get a French bulldog and I'll get a German Shepherd, and then I'm good.
Look at that resistance at frickin' 63. Back to 48. Through 48, back to 42, through 42, back to 33 potentially.
Just want to say thank you for your service to Middle East. Respect. Appreciate that, Drew-Fi. Thank you.
Yeah, there's
I have a Frenchie
42.
puppy for you if you're looking. She doesn't like the fluffy Frenchies. She doesn't like those. She likes the normal ones.
Fluffy. Oh wait, I have a blue guy right here.
Sam, I do agree with you. French bulldogs are very unintelligent dogs. It's like a French bulldog compared to a German Shepherd is like complete polar opposites in intelligence. Yeah, night and day. My dogs used to know how to open up doors. They used to know how to like do like crazy things, like undo locks.
Yeah, make it a little smaller. Make it a little smaller. So you can see it. There's that 33
Make
level
dinner.
again. How to make dinner.
Logan, did you end up dating
Ooh,
Tori?
no.
No, I've said one word to Tori, and it was with my girlfriend next to me.
I was very sad that day. Very sad, guys. We worked so hard for that moment, and because Poo Poo Fart had to go and take him, my moment was ruined. I will never forgive her for that, but I still love her. But we were building up to that moment. We were building up to that moment. I was so excited. Yeah, I didn't get to. Oh God, sorry guys. I'm getting a little emotional here. I didn't get to finish what I started. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm okay. It's okay. I'm happy for him. He's got poo poo for him. I'm happy for him. Okay. I can't. My wife is yelling me from downstairs. Oh, look, 33 held again. 33 held again. That's a violent push over 33 though. Holy shit, that 5 minute already I didn't even get to enter this one. In the chop, in the chop, in the chop. I mean, Gabe Horn, isn't that the goal, right? We wanted to catch a banger. You got to like make him Incredible Hulk. It's got to Incredible Hulk it. I just want to see her run in and tackle you. One day, Smooth. It will happen.
She has a Ferrari now, so I'm probably.
Yeah, you know what? I was disappointed with that purchase of hers. She made it.
I'm not gonna start shit. Like, I don't care if she owns a Ferrari. I can buy a Ferrari if I want to.
You know, she hyped up that she made a big purchase, and I was like, maybe she bought a house or something because she lives in a penthouse or something. I think she has multiple houses anyway. And then when it was a Ferrari, I was like, oh man, I thought she was like not gonna fall to that trope. But my wife showed me that she wrote in her diary that she had that goal written in, and I was like, oh, okay, if she had that goal from when she was young, then that's goals. Then I was like, then hell yeah, you know, that's an achievement. That's a huge achievement. She got to complete. One of my achievements when I was young was to be a Redskins season ticket holder, and I got to do that. My next achievement is to own a home. So I got one of the two achievements done. That's it. Those are the only two things I ever wanted when I was young. Own a house, be a Redskins season ticket holder. One of them has been accomplished.
If I were to say generate, I don't, for me, it's like more important than anything is generational wealth. Net worth of 20 million in the next 3 years. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that, but that's a goal.
Hey, that's so doable, brother. Absolutely. For you, hell yeah. I just want to make sure my family's left in good hands when I'm gone.
And maybe not in 3 years, but I want to have a net worth of 20 million.
33 again. Each time it comes down to it, I think we're gonna. Sorry, go ahead, bro.
No, that's it. I don't got anything else.
Like I feel like it's gonna break through 33 to go touch that 20. It just keeps coming down to it, but it might not either. Like this 33 is a strong area. Like look, it bounced off again. Like 10 points bounce right there.
Thank goodness you both stopped talking about dogs and the X. Let's make money and focus, y'all.
We already made money.
Bro,
I made 2 big calls. Well, you two, one of you guys didn't get to hear the first one.
I'm up $60,000 on the day across all my accounts. My Tradeify alone.
That is the kind. Unless he just tuned in, that's the kind of greed that keeps you unprofitable. If you caught that 30-point banger, you should be more than happy and should not be looking for more, or at least be switching accounts. But if you're looking for another trade after that, if you were here for that and you're impatient and you're unprofitable, it's probably why. Okay, sorry. Let's go. Oh, man. It's just chopping. Like, look, it just bounced off of 33 for the third freaking time since we started this thing. Like, if anybody was doing what I'm doing, right, just scalp the shit out of it until it fucking breaks.
Did you guys trade open? I didn't. I mean, yes and no. I was planning to. I'm pretty disappointed with. I'm not disappointed. The market just didn't give me anything this morning. I was really annoyed. I have a very, very high success rate on news trading. If a trade presents, it's a very, very high win rate. Unfortunately, there was no trade available. Like there was no trade opportunity. So that was annoying. And then my strategy also has a very high win rate into the New York Open. And unfortunately, that also didn't have a trade presented. So that was annoying. 2 of my most profitable trade setups just didn't present, which it's not the end of the world because I didn't lose any money. I just didn't make any money. And then later on, there was like one PHP loss and then two really big PHP wins. Two really big PHP wins that made good money that I took. And basically a long and a short. That's it.
Let's
Yes.
see.
There's this thing. I don't know if you know about this, Javi. I have a curse.
A curse.
I have a curse.
Ooh.
And my
Do
students
tell.
know about this.
Okay, I
Every
wanna hear it.
single
I wanna hear the
time
curse.
when we lock in on either Zoom or in my recording student channel, my student channel, if I start recording at the beginning of the lesson, no trades present.
Wait, for real?
If I decide to record, if I say, all right, I'm recording this, no trades present. If I say, fuck it, I'm not in the mood to record this, I'm not going to upload it, don't worry about this, guys, bangers come. I don't know why.
Have you
Happens all the time.
tried
Happens all the
reverse
time.
psychology on the curse? Saying, I'm not going to record this shit, hit record, and see if like that's ghost is just listening to you and not actually watching your screen. You'll be like, I'm going to trick that bastard. Whoever put this curse on me,
I need to
I'm
just
not recording.
I just need to
Fuck this
record
shit today. Hit
24/7.
record.
Yeah, I just need to record 24/7 and just not say anything, and then maybe it's just weird. I don't know why that happens. Like if I'm like not going to record, we catch huge trades. And I posted it on my social media once, and I was like, of course, I didn't fucking record. We just caught a fucking 90-point trade, like all the time. Which
Yeah,
like
that's a
I
funny.
don't really
That's a
care
fun curse,
because like
actually.
my students still catch a good trade, but I want to record it.
Yeah, I feel that. Nav, don't trade no minis. Should know better. Look at that. You're up 800 on 3 to 6 micros.
This guy
That's a
goes,
lesson.
wait, this Julius guy goes, I know he's just a troll,
Ooh.
but this is hilarious. No one cares what you two make. You are here for us, not you. We wouldn't be here if we were at your level in trading. Common sense, too much testosterone from P.I. Joe.
Hey, you know what? He's right though. It's true. All right. If
Yeah,
we
this
get
is your
92,
world. I'm just gonna get
932, I want to see what it does at 920. 920 would be that next area. 922, 920. If we get this break of 933, this 5 minutes still has 3 whole minutes left. So it still easily can touch 920 and pop itself right back up at the last second. But if it manages
Julius
to break through all
has
this,
a
ooh,
he's a
whoa.
1-year anniversary, and it's just him filming nothing on his YouTube. Let's see, October 9th.
907, 900 would be the bottom
It
potential.
looks like he's holding a woman against her will. And just stay still, hold your hand, don't move. And it's for 3.5 minutes. Julius is in fact a serial killer.
It's trying to push itself back up. 5 minutes still has 2 minutes left, so it could still do whatever it wants. It could still stay under 33. It could retest 33, stay under it, and then push down to 22 again. If it manages to get under 22, we could see 907. We have a level at 911 as well. Let's see what it wants to do now. I was going to answer somebody on YouTube. Javi, you use Power Hour Orb during all small scalps? I only use the Power Hour Orb when it starts at 330. And lately, my scalps have been like 20 to 30 to 40 to 50 points, if you consider those small scalps.
My TV just turned on itself. That's weird.
Isaiah Trade can't even. Oh, here we go. Here's the continuation push. Isaiah Trade saying, I can't even troll because all my accounts are exposed. Not trolling, just keep it gangsta. All right, look at this push. It's going to continue down then. We're going to continue down. 911 is that next level. Below 911, 907. This still has a whole minute left. The 1 minute actually presented a nice setup here.
We print through here on this 14. I'm going to press short. Also,
Gets down there.
Julius, you said you're keeping it gangster. I can already tell by your piss poor pussy attitude you're never going to be profitable. So it doesn't really matter. Just letting you know. Zero respect. Your
40
wife hates
seconds
you.
left. Is it going to pull
Guarantee your
itself all the
wife
way back
hates
up?
you.
If it closes over 22, she's not going to be fully ready to break 22 yet. If she closes under 33, she could still retest all the way back up to 44. If it closes over 30, if it closes under 33, but not under 22. "14 seconds. It's trying to fight it right now. It's pulling itself up just a tad bit.
Looks like. Oh, maybe. Still. Oh, here we go.
That
Run
closed
through
right
that
on it, then pull down.
914.
It did not close. Did it close
Wait.
underneath it? Hold on, I gotta zoom in. That
Wait.
closed right on it.
Just wait. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Wait.
Looking at 911, 908.
Nothing.
I'm not ready for anything yet. It did not close.
Oh,
under
wait.
it.
There's a level right there.
Fully.
Never mind. There's a level right there. Never mind. Abort. 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 There's a level right there. I'm not jumping in it. I did not see that. Abort. Julius, you can full port short though if you want. Fucking pussy.
Watch it work out in his favor. 911 is this next area I'm looking at. If it gets down there. Nope.
Which level? I don't see it. 901. So if you guys look here, right? 914, I want to print through depending on when I catch it. I only have a certain amount of room with the 12 ATR. And as you see, it doesn't even matter. Look, it completely flipped and ripped. So good stuff on us not touching that short.
Oh, okay. So if this pulls up back, okay, right here. Here's that area where I was kind of looking at where it could react potentially. 33 is there's a potential level forming. So this did close under right on 22. We have a potential level forming at 36 where it would need to stay under if we're going to keep pushing down. We are still in a downtrend as well, but I want to see what it does at 36.
Fake
If it gets
traders.
up there.
Why are we fake traders?
No, I'm the best fake trader in the whole freaking world then. Fuck that. Screw you, dude.
Go to channel. Let's see. This guy has an hour, 30 minutes of a playlist of what type of trading? Tape reading.
ICT? Oh, what the hell's that?
Candlestick breakout patterns. Okay. Z-Malik, what is your Z-Malik? Let me ask you this. How much have you gotten in payouts this month?
He's gonna make it up. We've proven it. You could go check out our socials. We show it all. And magically,
if I'm a fake trader, are you a real trader?
Magically, my trades that I've been calling out. Here's 36. Let's see what it wants to do here. Work out beautifully.
Thank you, Angelos. Appreciate you.
Okay, breaking through. It's breaking through. 5 minutes. Still has about 2 minutes left.
11 twice. That is crazy work. Did anybody actually get that's I just read your comment. That is a crazy comment, my man. That's a crazy comment.
If it pushes over 36, I want to see if it breaks over 44 for a contention up to 64. But if it can't break above 36 on this 5-minute candle closure, we're going to get this level to lock in.
Yeah, right, Rich? My $50,000 withdrawal with the accounts, with the login, with everything. Must be AI.
Yeah,
Uncle
AI.
2. So you said, am I tripping or are these
Everything.
markets harder? I have no grip on the markets open. I don't know what to change, and I feel step back and give it a break. So it's kind of relative, right? So when you say that the markets are harder, I wouldn't say that they're harder. It just doesn't meet with your potential entry criteria or your strategy, right? We're in a very, very volatile market right now with what's going on. You got to think with the economic news, with the world, everything going on. it changes a lot on trading. So what I always try and tell everybody is what we want to do is we want to constantly adapt to the market conditions. My people that I trade with know this, that I'm constantly adapting and changing and improvising my strategy. I don't like to say that I have a concrete strategy all the time. Besides PHP works for all market conditions, but like my big one and done type trading style, I'm constantly adapting to the market conditions to adjust, because it's always moving, it's always volatile, there's always different scenarios, right? Something could happen with Trump, or he could tweet, or something happens with Tesla, or Nvidia, or whatever. Market is always changing, it's always unpredictable, because you don't know when something's going to happen. So we just need to find ways to adapt and to adjust. So for you right now, if you're struggling at the market open, figure out why, figure out the changes in the market, and find the consistency.
Maybe don't trade the
G.I.
market open
Joe
either.
definitely has PTSD. Oh, dude, yeah, I got 70% disability from the military because of my PTSD. Fuck yeah, I do. I don't know if that's an insult or
Right.
not. If you're trying to make fun of my
Dancing
PTSD,
around.
but yeah, I do. I absolutely do.
Dancing around 36 right now. It did not look like it did not close below it enough for it to lock in that level. So nothing's at the moment. Yeah, and like to add what Logan said, you got to adjust, right? Like again, right? My strategy, quantum, I have so many different kind of setups. Not so many, right? It's 4 setups that I can play no matter what market conditions, whether it's choppy. Everyone knows I love to play the chop. While everyone else is waiting, sitting on their hands, guess what? I've taken probably 4 or 5 trades up 50, 60, 70, 80 points. And while you're waiting for 5 hours to take the same amount of points, I already collected it in 30 minutes. But again, right? I adjust to what the market does. You have to be able to do the same with whatever strat you have, if your strat allows you to do it.
Normally, I like type of volatility, but in a way, as in breakout, not volatility in a chop. So those 5-minute orb breakouts where you get like 50 points, like in December, aren't there. I can't find it. Yeah. You know what's funny is that you say that, Onkel. December wasn't a great month for me. So again, it's how you personally trade. December worked really well for you, didn't work really well for me. November was phenomenal. January, February was really good. And this month was pretty good. It's all relative. Well, January was okay. So it's kind of depending on the person. Stuff does change, but yeah, you got to adjust. Like Hobby's built a strategy that works for him where he can trade at all times.
Yep. I'm up 10 points on the short from 36. It was I was hesitating on holding it. But
what are good months like?
held.
I really like this. This month has been chill. It's not been bad or good. It's been chill.
My third account so far today. Again. I just got 2 runners now just because there's a level right here at 2450. All right, nice. All right, I'm up 12 points on this 36 hold right now. Again, right? I'm a fake trader. 36 held. I'm up almost 16 points now. Well, actually, a little bit more. My entry was a little. Got trailed that on 1. I got 1 runner left. Up 300 on the third account I've opened up to trade so far. Right, just like that. 60 plus points called in 30 minutes or so. 30, 40 minutes with this chop and shit. Right, adjustments. Again, right? I make adjustments. I wait. I do my thing.
I did forget the 55K is this month. I did forget that.
20 points. Yeah. Well, 20 points right now on the short from 36 we're holding. Right. So, I'm the fakest trader in the world. You're welcome. Hats off to the fakest trader in the world.
Can't find the stop. I can't enter. Those opening bars are moving. Stop out, so I try to stay away. It's not a bad idea, Dev. Dev Josh online, yeah. I mean, there's nothing. I think it's always a good idea.
3 for 3.
Better to stay away.
I'll wait for MLC now. I'll let you guys do your own thing and hate on each other and say we're the fakest traders in the world. Go ahead. I'm just gonna chill. Go watch those other clowns out there that are probably waiting on a trade still. I'm not gonna say everyone's a clown because everyone does their thing respectively. I respect every trader if they're successful.
The bald guy goes, Jesus, dude, you are the baldest trader out there.
Am I the baldest? Really? Yeah, I do have a lot of
baldest. There's no trader that's more bald than Javi, I guess.
I guess I'm the baldest.
Logan, what did you do to adjust the markets for breakouts? I'm trying to think about how do I explain this without, giving up too much of my stuff. I like to focus on honestly, like, patience, right? If we just think strictly like my PHP is I just wait patience. Like I wait for the extra confirmation. I pay attention to levels. I don't try and get eaten up in the chop. I actually never trade chop. I'm a breakout momentum trader. So I'm not trading this. This Javi crushes this. Javi does very well in this. I do not. So I've just honestly I sit on my hands. I was actually looking at I wasn't here yesterday, but I was yesterday on Power Hour. I don't think there was a single trade I would have taken yesterday during Power Hour. But I heard Javi and Izzy killed it. It's just works for some people, doesn't work for others, or vice versa.
We're getting that retest back up. It's funny because it's fun to actually now be able to put it on full display how I play the chop. Because before I used to be like, I could explain it to people how I play the chop because everyone else is always like questioning, like, how does Javi do it? And now I can actually show everybody how I do it. It's been fun. All right, if this can hold above 38, this 5 minute also has to hold up here. So it still has 4 minutes left. I'm not fully sold on a push up just yet. That 5 minute has to close above that 36. I mean, it could go too, but again, I'm gonna set my hands at the moment. Actually, no, I said I was done. I don't have courses yet, no, Zaf. I only do coaching at the moment. Eventually, I will work on one. There's Big Daddy Max
Yes.
tagging you, Logan.
Yeah. What did I get tagged for?
Yeah, I'm waiting for it.
You haven't tried
What's
Omni,
Omni?
yet, have you? I personally haven't, but the people that I have discussed with have had a lot of success with it, and they said it's really good. The multi-prop copy trader is very smooth, from what I've heard. Yeah, it's great. Even in
Little
volatility.
lid Giel. Right. I'm not gonna say pinpoint always, where to enter. There are times where I say I'm in and I'm not. But I always say clear as day, if this level holds, 5 minute candle closes, look at your damn charts. I'm not gonna spoon feed your little baby tiny probably dick ass. I'm sorry. I gotta be careful with YouTube, okay? I'm not gonna go and change your own little diaper. I'm saying levels, follow the damn levels. Look at your own damn chart. Okay?
Tiny baby.
Probably want a mommy to do all that shit for you. Guess what? I'm not your damn mommy. Okay? I'm not your dad either.
Tiny baby dick.
Go change your own damn diaper. Sorry, dude. Am I okay?
Javi trying to curse
Sorry,
out something is hilarious.
I try to keep it PG, so it slips, and I'm like, "Oh shit, you too."
Yeah, it sounds like you sound like somebody who's learned their curse words for the first time.
I don't curse people out, man. It's not a part of me. It's just not. So when I try, it comes out really weird, and I get it. It's funny. It's funny. It's funny for everyone else, but I don't go off on people. It takes a lot to piss me off. It genuinely takes a lot to piss me off. I have my moods. I have my bad moods. Obviously, if life is hitting, it's gonna be really easy to piss me off. But even then, I hold back quite a bit. Drew's like, I'm getting better at it. Thank you, Drew. Like, this is what I don't like, man. This is the part when those comments get me because I'm like, dude, I've been saying this candle does not close over 33, if this candle does not close, I say the 5 minute candle, look at your fucking chart. Okay, sorry. I love you guys. Okay, I'm done. But you know what? It's fun being angry sometimes. So I get why you're like that, Logan. It is fun being angry sometimes because you get to scare people. And when you see people scared, it kind of feels good. Makes you feel like big.
I don't think calling somebody tiny baby dick ass is very intimidating. I'll be honest with you, Javi. I don't think calling somebody tiny baby dick ass is gonna be like,
hey, he got what he deserved, in my opinion. Okay,
that's fair. No, that's fair. Yeah.
He got what he deserved. Did someone already changed their Someone already changed their name to Tiny Baby to There you go. Oh my god. Oh, that's hilarious. Yeah. All right, I'm good. I'm good now. I swear. I'm good now. Oh god. All right, here we go. We're gonna get this 5-minute candle closure. Oh, oh shoot. We're getting no, the 5-minute one is named Blue.
Tiny baby dick ass. Go ahead and open up a support ticket. You get access to any indicator free for an entire week. For being a good champ, and good sport about that, and playing it out. Open up a support ticket. You can get an indicator
Yeah,
for free.
oh, he's the one that actually changed. No
Yeah.
way. You know what?
Yeah.
Yeah, my hat's off to you again. All right, you get to see my bald dome.
Yeah.
That's a sign of respect. Being able to take it like a champ. I love that. I love that. We'd be friends, brother. We would be friends. I'll tell you right now. Oh man.
Sounds good, Habibi. We got it. Don't worry, brother. I was gonna make a comment.
All
but
right. Well, BB's in.
I'm not gonna do that.
All right. I want to see if it can start to hold 35, but I want to see a candle closure over 41. I'm still waiting for this 5-minute also to close, but if we get a 1 minute to close, this could just start pushing here. If that 35 area looks like it's holding off strength. Whew, I needed to catch my breath after that, bro. I'm good. I'm on. My wife, are you good? I'm good. Oh man. Yeah, wait. Oh, yeah, where is Kathy? She just vanished off the dude. We thought it was just yesterday that she wasn't here. She hasn't shown up today either.
Damn.
Moment of silence for girl Kathy. She probably went off to go hate on somebody else.
She saw like I requested a 55K Apex payout and was like, I can't talk shit about this guy anymore.
Yeah, that might be right. She's like, damn it. Just turned around with her tail between her leg, walking away all sad. Still just stuck. Still just stuck.
Kathy is back.
Doesn't want to do nothing. Oh,
Where is
she's
she?
back. Where? Why are we so excited to see her back?
Javi and Logan, do your indicators actually say buy and sell? No.
Mine does, but there is other things you want to see when it does say. You obviously you can see it on screen, at least YouTube, right? But there you want to only follow these when there's other confirmations around them. These are
see
like
why
the
you
confirmations
Kathy,
need
nobody
to-
says we didn't say we don't like you. Why do you assume that we don't
No,
like you, Kathy?
yeah,
I
Kathy.
I
We
see
love
why you don't like me because I'm the only one who calls your BS. Kathy, what is my BS? Or what is Javi's BS? Or what is our BS?
it's
Also, Kathy, thank you for always watching our show. We appreciate you.
Let's see if it retests 41 and holds. If it does, I'll be in. Who knows? I might already be in.
Everybody's saying Kathy is Max.
It could be. I would not be
Max doesn't
surprised.
really talk like that. And no, we looked at the videos already. She has videos of some
That
kids
54 level.
celebrating something.
54 and a quarter is the next barrier it needs to get through. If this is going to go up any further than what it just did on that little push. I would love to see it retest 41. Oh, the 5-minute also has a whole minute left to close. It'd be wild.
Yeah,
to
and
see
Max
this
also would never say
back
hella
and forth.
cringe.
Hella cringe. I mean,
I was getting back in those shots.
does do his research. He might. Like, what are they? All right, here we go. We're gonna get this thing going. I only entered 2 micros on this because I wanted to see a pullback to 41. I
How
didn't
many
get
trades a day would you normally get with PHP? If you follow the rules and you watch my YouTube video,
Here we go
quality
again.
good trades, there's about 3 a
Oh
day.
my god! Oh my god! Did anybody
3
get in this? Because I was saying if this 1 minute candle closes over 41, right? I got in on that close with only 2 micros. I'm up $90 on 2 micros. Okay, sorry, bro. Yeah. All right, another trade. Another beautiful, beautiful. What was this? Right? Pushed up for 30 points. Another 30-point trade, yeah. Yeah, 30 points again, right? We're up 80 points so far. Okay. Sorry, bro.
Still no trades for me on the power hour.
Between yesterday and today, we're already up like 400 points, I think. I don't know how many points I called yesterday.
Yeah,
But
Hobby's on
isn't it
fire.
magical? Isn't it
Hobby's on
magical to just be like, you just see it happening over and over and over again? Let's go, Ellis. Look at Wonger. Green as green. I'm 4 for 4. Haven't lost a trade yet. In Houston, you got in at the long at 933. Good job. That 933 was a level for me for a while. So hell yeah, bro. Way to catch it. I waited for that 1 minute candle to break that 41 though. I just needed to see it. And then it happened. I only caught it with 2 macros because I wanted to see 41 get retested. All right, now we need to see again, right? This is the area it's been struggling to break, the 68. A 2 minute candle needs to close over the 68. The 5 minute candle did close over this guy over here, but that's a huge candle to retest. I want to see a 2 minute closure over 68. This, what is it? 69 and a quarter, actually. 69 and a quarter. If we're going to get continuation push. 2 minute actually did a really nice advance read too. This one did break. That is no longer there. This one is going to go down here. All right. I know I'm hella cringe chicken daddy trades, and I'm perfectly fine with it. I've been hella cringe since the day I was born. My brothers, my man. Sometimes we go out. I remember the first time people used to say lit. Me and my brothers and my sisters went to a concert. I'm like, oh, this shit's gonna be lit, and they all looked at me, dude. You're 30, you're 33, and you're saying lit, and I just sat there in silence. I'm used to it. and now we all say lit. Now we all say lit. We all talk like that. So it's funny as hell now. Be like, yep. No, I know. No, trust me though. Trust me. When Max was telling his story about Disney, that was literally my high school life. Trying to be funny and just bombing everything and being hella cringe. That was my life growing up. Trying to fit in and be funny, trying to force things, making 0 sense. You guys hear what I say? You guys heard little baby dick thing, right? I would probably back then. I can't remember everything. Probably said weirder and worse things. So yeah. How old am I? I'm 41. I'm 41, wizard. I'm an old bag. I'm the oldest team member here, I think, other than Doc,
No.
obviously. But talent-wise,
Doc is older.
I'm the oldest. Yeah. Oh, look, the longest still logging. Oh, it took my runner out. No, it took my runner out. I didn't even realize I didn't adjust the trail. Well, whatever.
Yeah, Athena could be Athena could be tough to say with Asians.
That's true. That's true. Asians do look young no matter what. Black don't crack either. So, Coach could be like 100. We don't know.
Coach looks 17.
That hair, man, it's been growing for years. It had to be growing for years. That was one of those moments. I know. I have many of those moments, Dan. Many, many, many. And I will never stop. That's me. I remember when I first talked to Max, I told him I'm very awkward. I told him straight up, I'm an awkward person. There's gonna be awkward situations where you're gonna hear the crickets, or I'm just gonna be there and I'm gonna be like, yep, I know. I know. You need to tell me. Oh man, we gotta get this 2-minute candle closure over 68, 69. It's right there. It's too close though. This is too close. I want it to like be a really nice close. And then I want to see it hold 60. If it closes and retests. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, okay. Dom is starting to. Oh, we're already at 340, dude. I didn't realize what time it was. MOC is coming up soon.
I'd love to get
Next area.
one trade on the power
88.
hour.
There you go. Look at that. 88. Oh my gosh. You know I took that. And now I have one runner. Another 15-point trade. Guys, it's literally that easy. I'm up almost $500 on this account that I literally just started trading. And the other two accounts that I also started trading, I already had to stop because I hit consistency. Look at that. Look at that top. Look at 88. Boom. 87 and 75. Now, if my runner gets taken out, again, I'm looking for that potential retest down to 70. And then potentially 60. It could come back down to 60. So I got trailed out right there on that 78. MOC's coming up, so I kind of want to sit on my hands. We got to level it down up at 25,001. Above that, 25,020. I did not put the freaking orb on. Let me see. Can I still turn it on without opening it? Oh, yeah. Okay, there it is. There's the orb. Orb is there. Let me get that off the way now because that is invalidated. We have that level at 88 that got hit on the money. Here's that pull down to potentially 60 here. See what the Dom is doing at 60. And we are about 9 minutes from MOC. Let me go to another account. A couple fresh ones here.
Ooh, they got an STO that looks like the Lambo that Hefe has that I was going to buy.
Hefe. What did that touch? That touched 63.50. Will that hold? And will we
What
get
color?
that
It's
it's
the same color as you guys weren't here, so I'm just going to show you guys pictures. I have a student who might sell this to me.
Maestro Mommy Javi, how's your day? It's been good, Sergeant Cupcake Fart. It's been pretty dang good. See, is right around the corner. You want to see 60 hold. If 60 gives way, we're definitely got potential move to test all the way back down to 40 and 33 again.
It just he pre-ordered that last year. It's coming in June. You can't tell me, you can't look at that car and not say doesn't scream CSO.
Which one? Did you post a picture? Oh, damn.
Yeah, I posted it in the chat. It screams CSO.
Yeah.
Look at the colors.
That's a nice green. That's a nice green. I'm not a fan of like the diarrhea greens. That one's like right there. It's not like super diarrhea green. I mean, I'm talking about baby diarrhea, in case you guys, Max, it's so big it bends to the left.
What the fuck, dude? I don't even know how that came up. I don't really remember how that conversation even came up. We just
I don't either.
There's like a weird conversation. It's just one of those weird conversations I have with Max and Lama and fucking I don't really know. I don't really know.
Yeah. I mean, oh, look. That 60 area held. Gee.
In all caps, I definitely didn't do this. I definitely
Did,
didn't do this. Mine bends. I mean, yeah, like you got the torque a little bit. Then Lama said, I forgot. Lama said something funny. I don't have.
what backs doesn't have them? Can it be too thick to bend? Is that a
Yes.
thing? It's yes, I love when I say things and I can hear my wife scream. Oh, look at that! Oh, it bounced off a 60. Did anybody catch that? 60 hold. I said it's got to hold 60. But again, obviously everyone wants to be. I mean, I got 1 micro running, and this is a new account. I'm almost $80 on this brand new account with 3 micros right there. That's all I caught it with. I've already made enough today. I don't need to make that much more. All right. Or too short to bed, Aaron. All right. If it needs to break that 8850 if it's gonna go and touch 25,001. MOC is in a few minutes. So right now, the 88 area and that 25,001 is where I want to see if it does pop up to test that area. I do have an area here at 971 as well. So if we float right here, 971, there it is. 971 just formed. It looks like it's already breaking it. So if it is gonna stay below it, be right when MOC happens, then 71 is gonna be the area. If it's above it, you want 71 to hold. So that's gonna be that level right here, 71. Or MOC. It's in a tight spot. It's in a very tight spot between 71 and 88. If it gives away, I kind of feel like this is going to want to drop some, but I don't go by bias or gut. I want to see the reaction. Pretty big gut, so. See what you want to do here the last couple minutes. Going to probably play around 71. Below, above, below, above. Now I was trying to hold it. Barely. That candle did not close below it, but it's just going to be messing around with it. Javi, how long were you trading before you became profitable? With futures, I started trading futures. It was July or June 2024. I took the mastermind and then I became profitable the same year in November, right before December hit. So futures wise, didn't take me long. I was already doing really bad with options. Yes, I'm frozen. Can you guys hear me still? I know I'm not frozen on YouTube. Yes, okay. I'm not gonna disconnect because MOC is literally in 2 minutes. So right now we're underneath 71. We are underneath 71 at the moment. MOC is in 2 minutes. So we're dropping from the 71 break a little bit.
How many likes
I
do we
wanna
have on
see
YouTube?
what it does. Probably not many.
95 likes with almost 300 people watching.
Yep, that's what I'm saying. Not that many. All right, broke under 71. Nice little drop there. But I want to see this MOC retest, what it does if it does pull up to 71. We still have about a minute 15 left. A minute 15. What if I turn the...
Print through 52. I'm going short. Come on. Give me a trade right before MOC. And it's going to dump and melt, and I'm going to make a fucking bag. Come on. Pull down. Pull down. Pull down. Pull down. Give me a trade. Give me a trade. An entry before MOC. No trade. No trade. Hands off. Ugh, it's annoying.
All right. I'm back. 71 is the area it needs to stay below. If it's going to go down, if it breaks through it, we're going to have room to go up to 88. And then it will need to break through 88 to keep going. For the time being, if it cannot break 71, all right, there's the test of 71. It is breaking through it now. Now you want to see if it can hold. And then 88 could be next. Let me see what you want to do here. It's looking weak to me. This is looking very weak to me, but I'm not sure right now. We have a big blue as well, so this could go either direction. So it's fighting 71. That candle closed below it. Closed below it. If it's going to go down, it needs to also break 57 to the downside. This is barely moving. So I'm not fully sold on this, but 71 is the area where it needs to break to push, and then I want to see what it does at 88. But if it cannot break 71, then this thing is gonna potentially come down. But they're starting to hold 71 right here. What are you gonna do? You're gonna go up? We're gonna go retest 88 here. This is just very weak movement. Very weak, barely moving. Kind of a bust for MOC, honestly. Just not doing much. You had the initial retest and rejection, pulled right back up, and then it slowly creeped through it. 88 will be that next area it needs to give out. And if it can't give that out, for 71 to give way again. That push up was slightly on the weaker side, but if it's gonna hold 71, let's see if it touches 88 one more time before it decides what to do. It's super weak. It's barely moving. Kind of wanted to see like something just happen. 355 might give us our move today. This is crap movement. Hold this area or not? Might just see a ripper through 88, which would be freaking awesome if it does. But if it can't break through it, it's just looking too weak. It doesn't want to go up there. She's just struggling. This is shit moving. What time is it? All right, we got about a minute and 20 for the next candle movement to potentially do something. All right, there's 88 touch again. So close. There's 88. Here. We're gonna rip through it or not? Yes. Okay, it's getting spiky up here. It's trying. It's trying. She could get to 2501 next. She's breaking through 88. Next will be 2501. There goes. Okay, now what are we gonna get? Oh yeah, baby. There's 2501.
No, I'm about to go long. Wait,
There
wait,
goes.
wait.
Next
Not
area,
yet.
2511 is the next area where we could get some resistance. So be careful. Definitely be careful. But if it rips through
Yeah, I
that,
got resistance
yeah,
at 26. It was pulling down before I can even enter.
yeah, that's that 2506. I got 2511, then 2520. That was a nice move. That was
No
a nice
entry.
move.
I think no
Finally
trade.
took its sweet little time. My God, that was painful to watch.
No trades. No trades on the
That was
power for me.
painful to watch. Very nice, Houston tips. Where you held on till since 67. Very nice, brother. I got trailed out on that pullback there. Are we gonna see a break back in? Or are we gonna see this area hold here? And a push back up to 25,001 or not? If it breaks back in, then we see a break of 81. This might start coming south. But right now, it is holding on to that 87. Oh, here we go. Is it breaking back in? 81 will be the next tap. This holds under 88. Got 20 seconds left. If it breaks back above 88, we might have another push. But there's 1 minute. I'm waiting for this 1 minute. Let's see if there's one more little potential. Yeah, today's MOZ was kind of boring. I mean, it did break 71 and then finally push up 30 points, but it was slow. Only called 5 trades, Wizard. Not 100. I do the 100 on my own time.
0 for me. 0 trades.
5 or 6. I think 5 or 6. Of course, I got to do MOC. We're going to get the 81 tap. If it breaks 81,
Welcome to the course, brother. Welcome to the battalion. How do we trade live with you? I trade live for major economic news. So probably tomorrow, I'm going to trade news with my students. And then if I'm bored, I'll fuck around and I'll hang out with them and do some shit too. It's usually the most times that I trade live. Logan, this is actually a good lesson on watching your patience and discipline. Good.
yeah.
Hopefully for you people that don't have a concrete trade setup or anything like that, you're not forcing trades.
Yeah, this is surrounded now. This is just screaming indecision right now. Look at this. I'm surrounded by levels 990, 81. Above, we have that 25,001. If it breaks 81, it's got a hell of a lot more room down. But it's just barely moving. I don't like anything right now. It needs to break back over 90, then potentially get back to 25,001. The Dom's starting to speed up here. Something's about to happen. Is it going to break through 90 or are we going to get a rejection here? What time? Got 16 sec. So something's going to happen on this next candle. There's definitely a speed up happening right now on my Dom. So this either is going to rip through 90 or we're going to get a pullback down to 80 and then we'll see what happens there. But yeah, Dom's going fast, but that did nothing. It's doing nothing. It's not moving. All that for nothing. Come on. I'm not seeing anything. I mean, if we can't break back over 90, 50,
Yes, I watch a lot of
Let's see
anime.
81 next.
I watch a lot of anime. First power I've been on for a hot minute. Patience to battalion way. Yep, good. Good job, Squirrel. I know you like to trade a lot, so good job. Logan, Javi, thanks for having me here, boys. I'm definitely getting better at these scalping power hour sessions. I'm out for today. Stay safe. Thank you, Pharaoh.
It's
See you
brother.
later.
We're gonna get the 81 tap or nah. There's 81. Oh, 81 and a quarter.
I'm
81 and a quarter.
exiting all of my props because I'm done.
There's 81. Yay! I got 81. I got 10 points there. I got 10 points. Okay, that's all it gave me. Now it's going nuts. Be careful here. Yeah, be careful here. Dom's going crazy again. I'm out of that. I got my 10 points there. Oh, is it gonna keep going? Are we
You're
gonna
a
get a break in 81?
teacher. You're a teacher who told someone, no. Don't delete that. Don't delete that. Let me fucking read what he wrote. You're a teacher who told someone they would never be a successful trader. What a fraud you are, dude. Yeah. And I'll fucking say it again. You're a pussy. You have zero
Yeah, I can
discipline.
have it.
You act like a fucking bitch. You are never going to be profitable.
Yeah. Coming out and saying
You
stuff
have
like
a
that,
piss poor fucking attitude. You don't have the psychological
Yep.
discipline. You're fucking crying on the fucking internet saying that we work for you. You're a fucking pussy. Suck my dick. You're never going to be profitable.
Wait, who's that guy? I think I know who you're talking about. Oh, there's the dump. There's a dump. I caught it again from that 90 rejection. Ah, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Anybody caught this too? Did anybody else decide to just be a DGen like me? Oh my God, this dump is dumping. It could not break back over 90. I had to take that. I'm being a DGen. I need to stop. I'm not trading at 4 o'clock. I am not trading at 4 o'clock, but here we go. Nice $300. I got 4 micros running.
Correct.
I'm gonna
Also,
do 2 here.
90% of traders are not profitable. And all of my students, I spend hours and hours a day with to make sure and help them become profitable. You are just a whiny little child.
Yeah, dude. You can't be whining and blaming everyone else and saying stupid shit, man. This is all you. It's you versus you, right? We're here to guide you and to coach you and to help you. We're not going to spoon feed you, just like I said earlier. We're not here to spoon feed anyone. This is all you versus you.
Everything we do is
There's no
entertainment
one.
purposes only. This is not financial advice.
Exactly.
We
This
are
is
the Power
entertainment.
Hour special. It is a TV show.
Fucking
And
right.
thank you for watching. And tune in again tomorrow, guys, for Thursday, the next Power Hour show.
This account was sitting at right around 400, is now at 836 with that short. Beautiful short. I got 2 runners still running, got trailed out on 1. 90 rejection, 40 points, guys. Called, I don't know how many points I called. Fuck it. Right? Taking my 1,000 trades. You guys get to witness it.
How can we develop our trading discipline? It takes time. It takes time and focusing on the thing that a lot of people don't understand. And I talk about this with my students is your trade. It's not necessarily your trading discipline. It's your own personal psychology, right? You have to think about what you have going on in your personal life, what you have going on who you are as a person and how that's going to impact you as a trader. A lot of people just think, oh, I'm bad at trading. Oh, I'm bad at trading. It's not necessarily that you have an issue with trading. If you have an edge and you have a strategy, the trading part isn't what the issue is. It's your psychology and it's your discipline that involves it, right? If you're a pussy and you're online and you want somebody to hold your balls while you pee, like this guy on the YouTube, you're not going to be successful. You have to understand that there is some impersonal, there's something that's going inside you that you need to focus on, that you have to change in order to be more psychologically disciplined, right? I know for me, when I get into a chart and I go into a trade like I did during Power Hour, I didn't see a trade present. I didn't take a trade. Javi, while Javi might have taken a lot of trades today, they were all trades that made sense for him psychologically. They met his criteria, that met his setup. That's why Javi took them. The problem that a lot of people have with traders is they're forcing trades. They don't have something concrete or something that's helping them, and it messes with their head. Or if they take a loss and a trade makes sense, they're still forcing trades. And that's the problem that a lot of people have, right? You have to look in within yourself. What is the issue that I'm having? Why am I struggling with my trading? It's not necessarily your edge, but your psychology, right? Trading is 90% psychology. I remember when we were at the event and there were some big wig institutional traders and they're like, wow, Logan, we just saw you made $100,000 Power Hour when I did it live in front of everybody. And they're like, how do you feel? And I was like, I think trading's easy. And they were like, what? And I was like, yeah, trading is easy as long as your psychology and your discipline is on point. As long as you're not a whiny person and expect handouts or for things to be given to you, and you have the mental fortitude to understand that this is a process and going to take time and you're not going to win everything, that's how you're going to become successful. That's how you're going to become profitable.
Yeah.
No problem, Chue.
Yep. I agree with everything he said. Like for me, trading is fun. I'm not stressed. If I have a bad day, I'm not blaming anybody but myself. Right? I'm not gonna get mad at quantum because I had a bad day. I know what I can do with quantum. It's literally my strategy. Quantum is the main thing I follow. Everything else is a freaking confluence. And if like let's say I enter a trade and Llama's fib lines up with mine, the trade doesn't work. I'm not gonna go yell at Llama and being like your fib fucking sucked today, because every other day it works great.
If
It's
you were
all me.
transparent, then people would believe you more. Okay, so let me ask you this. I'm not going to start anything with you. Genuine question, right? The genuine question. I won't start shit. I just want to ask why you think myself or Javi or both of us are not transparent. Because I do everything possible. You don't need to like me. You don't need to like my personality. You don't need to like the way I talk. You can say I'm a prick or I'm this, whatever people call me. That's fine. But you can't say that I'm a fake trader or that I'm not legitimate or that what was your verbiage? Not transparent. I've admitted multiple times when I've popped accounts, when I've taken a loss. I've talked about the hundreds of thousands of dollars I've lost. I've also shown the payouts, shown the bank statements, shown everything. So I just want to ask again, what makes any of us not transparent? Because I do everything I can to be transparent. You don't need to like my personality. That's fine. But you need to tell me why you don't think I'm transparent, because that's not legitimate.
Yeah. We're all transparent. You guys, like Max literally tests us. We have to prove to him that we're profitable. He out of nowhere will make sure that we get payouts. We're not going to be
I
here if we
I
do.
posted my fucking 200. I posted many times when I've popped my accounts, blown my
Yeah.
shit. I don't, you know what I mean? Hobby does it too.
Yeah.
I do like you. I'm
I'm
talking
not
about
perfect.
having your trades live on the screen. Okay, so my personal reasoning behind it, and you can say I'm not being okay. So I'll give you this. You can say I'm not being transparent for that. That's fine, right? Fully support that. If you think that by me not showing my actual trades is not transparent, that's fine. My genuine logical reasoning behind it, and my students know this, as soon as I post or show my entries and you're watching my stop losses, you're going to know about my trade management. And while you might think that's minuscule or not significant, all of my students know. Okay, so you're saying, so what? You can ask any of my students right now the massive significance of my risk management and how I manage my trades. If you're a student in here, they all know my risk management and trade management is a massive, you don't think it is, but it is a massive part of my trade and my profitability and success. Massive. My ATM settings is exactly how I do. You can see it they're typing it out right now in the chat. I don't pay them to say that. It is a huge, there are students of mine who will just pay, if they could, just for the risk management and the trade management that I have, because it massively changes what? The psychology and mental discipline I talk about in trading. A strategy isn't hard. An edge isn't hard. A psychology risk management is key in your trading. And so I understand, Olds, that's why I said, Olds, I won't bag on you for that, because that's fair. That's a fair assessment for you to say. I'm just telling you why I don't like to share my stuff. So I'll give you that. I'm not even going to be an asshole about it. That's completely logical and reasoning behind it. It's completely fair.
Yeah, it's okay. Again, like I'm getting so used to this now. I used to really get bothered, like really super
Yeah.
bothered. Now it's like I just pick and choose who I want to get bothered by, and I'll launch my little weird attack on you, and then I'll get over it. But the majority of it, I posted on my socials. I hate posting my payouts, only because unfortunately you will get people coming to you and asking you for handouts. And I have had a disconnect from some people because they think that all of a sudden I'm spewing money and I'm a ATM machine, and I'm like, no, right? In a sense, it's helps in terms of at least getting rid of those who view me that way. But at the same time, it's like extra thing you want to be cautious of, because I don't want to think that everyone all of a sudden is going to start asking me for help, and my friends are going to just be money hungry, or my family is going to do the same thing. Um, but I know I have to prove myself, so I do post my shit every once in a while. This is a whole new world for me. Like, I've never been like this ever. Like, I've struggled my entire freaking life. I've hit rock bottom so many times. I mean, most of you guys know my story. Car
Is
accident,
Gorilla
back
Dad you?
surgery, having nothing in my accounts, man. What happened?
Is Gorilla Dad you?
Gorilla Dad is me, yeah.
Oh, you have 2 Discords, 2 YouTubes?
Yeah, I have my personal YouTube, and then I have the Maestro YouTube.
Okay. I was like, who the fuck is this guy impersonating Javi? I was like, what the fuck? Ban
No,
him.
that's me.
You guys pretending to be Javi. Okay. All right.
That's my, yeah, that's
Gotcha.
me. That's my
Yeah.
We're about to do some investigation.
Yeah. I was like, what the fuck? This guy's talking about his own Discord and fucking he has quantum stuff. And I'm like, oh fuck, we've been infiltrated.
That's right. Oh yeah, I should make a key, right? Go look at the Maestro Trades YouTube, not the Gorilla Dad one.
Yeah.
You're not gonna see anything in that.
Yeah.
There's nothing in there. That's just the one I watch all my videos on and stuff. My girls actually took over my YouTube. They have a bunch of, I don't even know what kind of stuff. I can't even tell you what the shit they watch on there is called anymore. Just all sorts of random stuff. I thought you was a fake one. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, God body.
Well,
Yeah.
Ols. So again, like I said, I'm not going to bag on you. I understand the concept of it and people finding me more legitimate as a trader. Here's the thing.
Lama's over
I don't
there,
really
man.
care. I don't really care. Like, and I mean that genuinely. Like, I actually don't. I don't need to sell courses. I actually talked to my students about closing down my course. Like, and I was just like I don't. I make 6 figures a month trading alone. Like, and I've proven it and I've shown statements for it and everything like that. I just don't need, it's not, I understand your concept. I understand your reasoning. I understand your logic. I actually do. Right? Logan, come off as more transparent. You can show your trade, show your entries, and then you'll have more people who will find you legitimate, and then you can sell your course more and all that stuff. I understand that. Yeah. I understand. I absolutely get where you're coming from. I honestly feel for me and my students, I would rather make less course sales and come off less legitimate and be able to hold my secret sauce, my strategies, so that my students don't miss out on what they paid for. Like, my students paid for this information, and I'd rather just keep it away and people think I'm not a real trader and my students know it's legit. I care more about my students' thoughts about me than anybody new. I'm not a salesman. I don't try and look a certain way out to the world. I know who I am. Those who know me know who I am. My students know who I am. And that's all that matters to me. Max knows who I am. Hobby knows who I am. Like, yeah, we want to bring more people here, but like at the end of the day, people are going to like me for me or they're not. People are going to think I'm legitimate or they're not. And if a simple thing like me showing my actual entries is going to determine that, fine. Today, I didn't even enter a fucking trade. I mean, and also my best trades are done in the morning. So I can't show that even if I wanted to. But I digress. I know I've been ranting. I'm going to chill. With that being said, let's give away some stuff, Javi.
Yeah, let's do it. Thank you, Miss Vicky. I know. I mean, it's one of those things. It's weird to be in the seat now. It is really weird. Like, genuinely really weird. And constantly wanting to defend yourself, but then you don't need to. Like, I've finally found this point where I'm like I've proven to myself plenty. I think most people, you know, that are legitimately following us and not financial advice stuff, they're entertainment purposes only, see what we do on the daily. Like, I do the same. I've been doing the same thing this whole week. Nothing's changed. And that's it.
Well,
That's any more. All right. How many people we got in here? Okay. 44. All right. First number for the Discord. Ooh, that's a big number. 397. 397.
did I ask Javi if he's Kathy? Definitely don't think Javi's Kathy.
Kathy will be my alter ego, looking to get some hate. That's where I spew all the hate from. No. I can never be like a Karen or Kathy complaining and talking smack. I'm bad at it. You guys see how bad I am at talking smack?
Angel 0615. You got to have the MOT tag. Angel 0615. Got to have the MOT tag.
Next number. Damn, 438. Getting the big numbers today. 438.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 42, 43. Also, students, do not forget, we're going to do a class on back testing and gathering data, and we're going to try and make the CSO breakout even better after the power hour.
I don't do mentorship, Ryan. I do coaching.
I have a lot of people who've been
On the
asking me
website.
that. Look, I'm like, Logan, can
Yeah.
you do a mentorship? Can you do one-on-ones? No.
Yeah, I do coaching one-on-one sessions, and then you get put into my student channel. I have student recordings in there of group sessions. We're gonna do much more. I wanted to do one this week, but I'm booked out this whole week. The transition from the old way to the new way, right, from TidyCal to the website, I got double booked a couple days this week, so it threw my whole plan out. All right,
Ninja Trader Arena March Madness, $100,000 cash prize.
232 will be the next number.
I'm reserving my spot. Why not? Let's try it out.
What is it?
Signing up for a trading competition.
Oh, now I'm good with that. I'm trying to today we watched the live action One Piece, and I got to stay out the charts for a few hours. And I don't want to have a reason to get on the charts if I'm doing a competition. I'm 24/7.
It's only $10,000.
I'm loving it so far, Teddy. I'm loving it. I'm loving the live action so far. I'm loving the way that they did it. Everything, the animation, the characters. Mr. 3 was a perfect casting. So far, if you
which anime, hobby? Which one?
One Piece, the live action.
Oh,
it's got the perfect pacing, and the only thing I'm a little disappointed with is Brooks. Yo, they could have done it better. When he came out singing, and I was like, I was like, oh, I was like, that wasn't the Brooke yo ho ho ho.
Right. Let's call out another person.
Robin,
also,
yeah, I love Robin's casting.
The tournament is only at $10,000. It's not worth it.
Damn, we're getting high numbers today. 345. 345.
5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Can't wait. I'm excited. I'm waiting for Choppa. I told my wife we're probably gonna get Choppa late because the animation for Choppa was probably expensive. They didn't hold back. They didn't hold back on the animation.
Alicia, the tournament's $10,000 payout, but it's like then that means I'm not going to be able to focus on my actual accounts and my actual strategies, which will pay me more than $10,000 in a 2-week competition. So it's like it's Ninja Trader. It's not worth it. Like I need to pay way more.
Luna Moon is a student of mine. You're not in the student channel, Luna? Hold on, let me go tag you in there. I thought you were.
Alicia, what up?
How are you?
Good. How's your trading going?
Oh, you're not in there, Luna?
It's going really good, actually. I'm halfway to passing another Lucid account.
Let's go.
I'm already funded two funded with Lucid and then 2 with FFF. So.
Fuck yeah. What is your trading style?
I've actually after the little free trial you did with the PHP, I've been really sticking with that.
Fuck yeah.
And then also I kind of trade a little bit like Izzy and Lama, I'd say. I do ICT. Yeah, so.
Cool. Nice. No, that's cool. You can combine the two and make it work out. Solid.
Yeah, so if if I see both confirmations go off, I use like the 15-minute IFVG, and then I like enter at like the midline. If I see PHP align with that, it's kind of good. So
You're speaking a different language, but that's good. It's obviously it works for you. I don't understand what IFVGs are. I don't know what FVGs are.
all
I know what
good.
they
No,
are, but I
yeah.
don't. And I'm not actually. So I already talked about this too. I actually will not talk shit about ICT anymore. The cultists, the group, they're weirdos. But ICT as a strategy works. It clearly does. I cannot deny that. I've Lama, Izzy, you, Code. Like it's a profitable strategy. The top traders in the world do ICT. So I will not talk shit about it. I just don't know what it is. But I'm happy that it works for you. So what we're also going to do is give you access to any indicator free for an entire week to add on your repertoire or extend whatever you want to do. Congratulations, Alicia.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys.
Hell yeah.
Thank you for everything you do. Power Hour is awesome. I love trading Power Hour. So
Thank you. Appreciate you. We'll talk
all
soon.
right. Have a good one.
You too. Luna, you are now in the student channel. I'm so sorry, Luna. She took her session with me back in May.
Damn.
And she has not been in the student channel.
I've actually had students who did the same like a year ago, and they're like, "Where can I watch your course? I heard you have a course." I'm like, "Dude, you were a student of mine of March of 2025. What are you talking about?" So I got a whole course you can watch. Let's do YouTube. The word of the day is going to be furu. Word of the day, YouTube, is furu. 5, 3, 2, 1. Trucking for dividends. Trucking for dividends. Congratulations. You got access to any indicator free for an entire week. All right, Javi. Discord.
Crap, dude. I just got some bookings coming in, and the way I'll have to message all when I just
Would you double book or something by accident?
No, because there was an error where I had Fridays off, but somebody was able to book on a Friday, and it was technically for Thursday. So now I have 2 booked for Thursday at the same time, but one shows up as Friday.
Right.
Yeah. Not to get a hold of them. All right. All right. Next number. We doing YouTube? There's a YouTube real quick.
No, we're doing Discord.
Oh, Discord. Okay, Discord. All right. Next
YouTube's
number.
getting the account.
175.
1,
YouTube's getting the account
2,
today.
4,
Nice.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raven. Come on up to the stage, Raven. Just because you got the MOT tag doesn't mean you're going to be called. It just means that you're eligible to be called up. Raven. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, good timing. Cameras on. Raven.
Working.
What's going on? How you doing?
Good. I'm at work.
Nice. All right. Well, how's your trading going?
It's all right. It's could be better, Working on psychology lately. So
Right. Yeah.
you know how it goes.
How long you been trading for?
Officially probably like 6 or 8 months. Not too long.
Okay. You're not too long. What do you do for work?
I'm an electrician.
Okay. Gotcha. So we're calling you. We got you busy on the job. Well, here, do this, Raven. Open up a support ticket. We're going to give you access to any indicator free for an entire week. All right, man?
All right. Appreciate it, man.
All right. Talk to you later.
Thanks.
Awesome.
All right, Javi, what's the word for YouTube? What's the word for YouTube? To win an Alpha Zero Plan account, which you can get 5 of now. Not from
Alicia,
us.
you can extend your week if you want. She said that she won an indicator yesterday with Izzy. Open up a support ticket. They'll extend it for you.
Yeah, who cares? You got luck. That's great. You won twice, son. Alicia?
Yeah. Exactly.
Hey, that means you can get another indicator, or you can extend, or whatever you want to do. You
Yep,
won
whatever you
fair
wanna
and
do.
square. You won fair and square. What's the code going to be for Discord? YouTube. Sorry.
YouTube. Oh man, I had the word earlier. Damn it. Do cringe. Just do cringe.
Cringe. All right.
Yeah,
YouTube. The word is cringe.
cringe.
All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm outside my guy. I'm outside my guy. Congratulations. Indicator, absolutely not. Contrary, actually, it's a lot of the opposite. Not the opposite, but my course is built around everything else. My course also shows you how to do the levels without the indicator. Does a bunch of stuff, but yeah, whatever. All right, guys, great day. No trades, no complaints. Javi doing his thing, sniping some nice trades, good quality setups. Students, after this, we're going to do some back testing practice. We're going to go over the strategy, try and build and make it better. And then you guys don't forget, we have the happy hour starting at 5:45 in an hour and 20 minutes. And don't forget to tip the staff, use code BDM for all prop firms, use code P2P for TPT. Sign up for Javi's coaching, Izzy's coaching, Coach's coaching. Sign up for the courses, sign up for whatever. I don't really care. Javi, what do you got?
Yeah, nothing new, y'all. Same shit as we always spew, right? YouTube, please like, subscribe, tickle that bell. Hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Not financial advice for JJ's, as always. Check out our socials, YouTube, our personal YouTubes. Logan has a couple videos on PHP in there. Mine's riddled with quantum stuff, which is my main trading strategy. Go check that out. Like and subscribe there if you can. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok. I forgot the other ones already. I'm blanking. I'm tired. So y'all enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
We don't have an outro today, so I'm just going to end the stage.